How to email a Canva presentation. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. I'll be walking you through different scenarios and how you will be able to email your Canva presentation. So the first thing we want to do, once on Canva, you can edit your presentation as you can see right here. Now, if it is a case that you would like to share this presentation with a teammate for them to be able to view and edit it and then send it back to you, you can simply tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you could select anyone with the link. Then you can tap on can edit and you will select can edit right there. And you're just going to copy the link and you could email them the link or you could share it on whichever social media platform. Now, let's say for instance you would like to download your presentation and you would like to email it as a PDF. You can also do that. So you could tap on share in the top right hand corner once more, select download. After you have tapped on download, from there you can select the pages. So for example, we can select PDF standard and you can see that that would be best for documents and emailing, or you could select PDF print, whichever one of these options. Then you'll simply tap on download. After you have tapped on download, you're going to give it a few seconds and you can see that it has been downloaded. So you can see our PDF right here. So this is our PDF at the moment. So all you need to do is you could select the PDF when you go into downloads and from there you can email it. Another option that you could also look into, let's say you would like to present this presentation. So you like to record the presentation and then you would like to email it. You can do that by simply tapping on present in the top right hand corner. You could select present and record. Then you'll tap on next. After tapping on next, you'll tap on go to recording studio as you can see right here, and I could block out the camera and then we could tap on start recording. After you have selected start recording, from here you can start recording your presentation just like this, and you can go through the different slides and record your presentation. After you're finished recording your presentation, you'll tap on end recording. Once you have selected end recording, from there you could tap on download and you'll be able to download the recording and you'll be able to share it. Another thing you could also do is tap on save and edit. After selecting save and edit, you could go over to the left hand column, select uploads, then you'll select audio. And you're going to see your audio recorded right there. So you could drag and place the audio to the timeline. And then from there you could edit the presentation. After you have edited it, you could select share in the top right hand corner. Then from there you could select download. And you'll change it from PDF standard. And you could change it to MP4 video. Then you could download it. And from there you will be able to email it once more. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.